Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. So today I want to show you how you guys can use Instant AI, the latest trade management AI that we have released. So what this AI actually does is to manage your trades. This AI doesn't trade for you. It analyzes the market condition and tells you more about what's happening in the market, whether it is safe to trade or it is not safe to trade. Just after buying, you download and just drag and drop it onto the chart like that. And today we have Bitcoin. So this panel here is customizable. You can actually change every setting here to your like, the colors, the input parameters. But again, I advise you to just leave the inputs as they are. Maybe the colors you can change. Yeah, so just click and it will, update on chart like that. Then this table is the information table. It tells you more about your broker and your account, mostly your broker and the market. So it tells you the exness, the broker name. It gives you the account type, execution, model, if the broker is a B book or A book. It tells you the leverage. It gives you the status of the market. So currently the market is closed, so it shows closed. Then we also have a session down there. So there's something with many brokers, they hide and market themselves as an STP while their main business model is B book. So it will show you that this broker actively trades as a market maker or an STP. Then you'll see the leverage not mostly found in STPs session. So currently it is a Sydney Tokyo overlap, and it gives you the countdown there. It's the Sydney is gonna go in the next 1 hour, 5 minutes. Then it shows you the spread. Now, here in the spread is where the life of your account lies. So I made this tool because there are quite few out there, and there's no detailed trading management tool like this one. The spread, it tells you whether the spread is safe or unsafe. And if you use the trade buttons down there, it will block you from placing a trade if you're trying to trade in an unsafe market condition. Then we have, it shows you the max allowed spread, which is 28.85 according to this broker. That's the safest max allowed. Then we have broker time, which is the broker server time. 6:55. Then local time. My local time is currently 9:55, so it's around 3 hours difference. Then we have the trade buttons down there. The profit button is displaying the current running profit spread, displays the current real spreads. You can break even also when maybe you are doing some other stuff and you just want to lock in profit at a certain level, so that when the market goes against you, you secure those profits. So that's how safe this tool is. Then you have collect profit. So the collect profit button only exit trades in profit. So let's say you have a couple trades running and you want to only collect the profitable trades. You click the collect profit button. Very simple and straightforward. So we have close buys. Close buys actually closes the buy trades. And currently we can't buy because remember it says market's unsafe. Spreads are unsafe. So using the instant AI bot buttons to trade will save you from just entering. So if you use the MQL5, it will just trade as long as you have money in the account. It is just trade, however big, wide the spreads are, it will still place trade, which is very unsafe. So I advise you to use the instant AI buttons to trade. Yes, I hope you understand that. Currently, it also comes with a countdown. So yeah, if we place that trade, you will see if we use the MT5 buttons, look at the margin of the spread. It doesn't put spread into consideration. So that is very unsafe. So don't use the MT5 buttons if you want to trade safe at any time. Yeah. If you want to trade safe, use collect trades button to exit all trades running. Yeah, and buy buttons can't work because again the market is unsafe. Very important. The market is very, very unsafe. So you find some people place trades during unsafe market conditions, and it takes like a half of their account, which is not good. So let's try to see what's happening on the expert tab. So when you go to expert service, it says spread for BTC USD is too high, higher than 2885.57 points, skipping trade. And you can see it up there, 2885. And it says it is skipping more trades. It says so because it can place more than one trade. There's a setting where you can set it to place more than one trade. And I'll show you in just a second. So here, number of trades to execute per button click. We just change that. The default is 1. Let's say it's 5. Yeah. And again, since the market condition is unsafe, it won't place any trade using buy or sell buttons unless you place single trades using the MT5 button. So it says fail to execute trades, skipping further entries because again, you've made the number of entries per button click to be 5. So it failed to place the first trade because the spreads are not safe, and it gives you more information about future trades. Yeah, so it tells you more, it protects your account, it saves you from severe market conditions. There are brokers who are known to exploit traders by exposing traders to very unrealistic slippage and spreads. So if you don't have this tool, it's very likely that you're gonna trade their crazy spreads. So this tool helps you not to trade the crazy spreads. Yeah, so we have okay. Yeah, I placed 2 trades there. It took because yeah, close all trades works. Yeah, so if you place trades using the MT5 button, it places trades regardless of the market conditions. It can't place more than one volume. So I just close that trade. You can close sales by clicking close sales. You can also close buys by clicking close buys. So let me reduce the volume and place a couple of trades and see how, yeah, placing buys. So a mix of buys and sells to test the close buy and close sales buttons. Yeah, so if I click close buys, it will check in my list of trades that are buys and close the buys only. Now you see all buys are closed. We are left with sells. Then click close sales and it will close all sales in my list of trades, which is very interesting. Sometimes either your buyers or sellers are in profit and you want to collect. Yeah. So this button here is for displaying your daily profit. It displays your daily profit, and when you first make your first deposit, it will be displayed there, and after that, it will be the daily profit. So today I placed $500 for the demo, and in our test, it has gone down to 325. So it shows you right there. Yeah. I think now you have understood every single button and table of instant AI. So the main goal of instant AI is to ensure that you don't trade blindfolded. MT5 doesn't show you the spread of that currency you're trying to trade. And maybe you've seen a good setup and you just want to hop in and trade. So this one stops you from trading. And again, it tells you more in the expert tab about the market condition it just saved you from trading on. Yeah, so thank you very much, guys. I hope you have understood this tutorial. If you want to buy this AI Trade Manager, the link is in the bio, in the description rather.